In today's video, I'm gonna guide you on how you'd be able to create Instagram business account. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to go into Instagram, log in into your account, and now from here, you want to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Now, in here, you would want to go into edit profile, tap on it. But if you're already in a professional account, then you can skip ahead and then go into the part where I show you on how you can do that if you're already in a professional account. But let's say that you are still in a personal. So from here, you simply need to go here into edit profile, tap on switch professional account in here. Now in here, tap on next. And from here, just choose your niche. So for example, I am an editor. So I'm going to tap on switch to professional account. And now from here, let's just wait for that to load. And in the next step, we will now be able to select if we are a creator or business. So for this one, we're going to choose business because we would want a business account. Tap on next. And then from here, basically, we just need to complete this on-screen process. Now, you can input your email if you'd want to, and then your business address, and your phone number, and then your Instagram audio calling if you'd want to. But if you don't want to use your contact info, then just tap here on don't use my contact info, as you can see at the very bottom. Right there. Don't use. And from here, you can now connect it to Facebook. So connecting to Facebook page is optional. So you can just skip this. So tap on skip on the bottom. And from here, you're going to set up your professional account. So these are just optional right here. I highly suggest though that you undergo this, especially if you're taking this seriously and setting up your business account. You need to complete your profile, or you can also go for Meta Verified if you'd want to, and many more. But I'm just gonna go and tap on the cross button on the top right. And that's it. We now have a business account right now. We now have a professional dashboard. Now, what if you are already in the professional account? Then what you can do is go here into your settings and activity and go into the business tools and controls. And from here, you can tap on add a new professional account and tap on next and basically undergo the same process. So yeah, this is how you can do it. And after that, you will now be able to get a new business account tag. So that's it basically for this video on how you'd be able to create Instagram business account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.